Díobh tá Irish Gaeilge agam and seo is just a short video to teach a wee bit of Irish related to the Fleadh, Cheoil and hÉireann that's happening in Belfast. So Fleadh, Cheoil and hÉireann, that's the Irish Music Festival. And will Gaeilge agad? Do you speak Irish? Do you have any Irish? Tá for yes, Neil for no, and tá bagin if you have a little bit of Irish. So will Gaeilge agad? Tá bagin. And will tú ag dul hÉireann Fleadh in Belfast? Are you going to the Fleadh, the festival in Belfast? Tá, yes, Neil, no. Tá sé inchin agam coupla imeachtaí astú a bhrastal. So that means I intend to attend some of the events, and if you're going to do we, tá sé inchin agin coupla imeachtaí astú a bhrastal. It's the V sound, the BH. Is bra lom Cheoil traditionta? I love traditional music. Is bra lin Cheoil traditionta? We love traditional music. Is bra lom ag dul hig Cheoil cromhacha le cairde? I love going to concerts with friends. Okay. Buine Gae Soltas an Bhéile. Enjoy the festival. Bhí slua mór on a rastal. There was a big crowd on it. And Hatchin say Gomor Lum. I really enjoyed it. Hatchin say Gomor Lin. We really enjoyed it. So Buine Gae Soltas and as an Bhéile, as an Cheoil, agus an Fleadh, Cheoil and hÉireann. Okay, slán.